playing charades under my neck. Pass me the sauce. Fat boy clarity. Eating powdered donuts under my hairy chin. Rick Rose. I'm boss. Boss look like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Uh, I got tattoos on the left ball. What you talking about? I'm Paul. Yeah, I be gross. Y'all don't know about me. What you talking about? Everyone you know you smell like me, but I'm P. Have to go down from the H-Town. Bows. Oh, Fat boy clarity. Larry Hooper. You just got chunked by Lil Cooper. Oh, you just gotta tell. It's supposed to be 10 more minutes now. I'm on the phone. Let her go down. Stop from the clown. Left on 20. Let her go down, cause your girl in me. Boosh.